Jamie here. Today we're going to look at the Apple Red silicone case. I also have Midnight and I've had the Abyss Blue, so we'll talk about the silicone cases and whether it's the right fit for you. Alright, let's dive right in. Because each of us have different needs for our products, this review is broken up into several different sections. We look at the packaging and kind of unboxing, aesthetics, fit, protection, feel and comfort, and other functionality like MagSafe. We look at compatible devices, colors, and price. And then I'll share my final thoughts and answer the ultimate question: is it worth it? Nice, simple, with just a little pull tab on the back. Pull the case out and, nice gift. Anyone that gets an Apple product will always be impressed because it's nice. They really do a nice job. I was never a really big fan, but with the changes they made over the last few years, adding protection at the bottom and MagSafe, I decided to give it a try. Inside material is nice and soft. You can see the MagSafe rings right there. And we're just going to take the phone, pop it in, make sure all four corners are in. I like the subtle Apple branding on the back. I've watched many videos and read reviews where people were complaining basically that the only difference between the Apple case and many of the third-party cases on Amazon was just the logo. Well, I'm here to tell you that's not the case. In my experience, I have not found this to be true. Here's an example of a silicone case which is actually more expensive than many on Amazon. But you can see it does not cover all the way around the face of my iPhone. It's actually too tight. I've tested others that were way too loose. So if you're looking for a silicone case, just go with Apple. It's worth it. Now the fit is perfect, as you would expect. It's not too loose, it's not too tight around the sides, it fits perfectly, and the buttons are very clicky and responsive. The case feels good. It's silicone, so it has that feel to it, but it's comfortable. It's not slick, and it's really comfortable to hold because of the slim profile. Some people have complained of it picking up lint really easily or being hard to get in and out of their pockets, but I didn't have any issues with this. Maybe their jeans were just too tight, or they need to clean out their pockets. It is lightweight and adds no bulk to your phone. I found it comfortable to hold for long periods of time when I was reading or waiting in line. The case is very grippy. I've not had any issues with the case vibrating off my countertop or my desk. Thumbs up for that. I really like that because some other cases that I've tested in the past have vibrated right off of my countertop. It provides face-down protection as well as camera protection. You can see that nice little hard lip around that camera bump, so when you put your phone down, you don't have to worry about your expensive camera hitting the surface. The same goes for your screen, as it has a little bit less than a credit card clearance between the screen and the surface. Now the other thing that I'd like to cover is drop protection. And a lot of manufacturers will tell you that their cases are rated mil-spec or 4 times mil-spec, whatever. Apple does not do that. They do not state any kind of drop protection on their cases. It is definitely a slim and minimalist case. If you drop your phone a lot, this might not be the case for you. I accidentally dropped my phone 3 times. Once where it hit pretty hard, bounced off my treadmill, then hit my brick fireplace. Another time on concrete. Yeah, I know, I said I was careful with my phones. Let me show you what happened on the worst drop. You can see the damage here on the top and here on the bottom. Overall, I was impressed. While it did take a few small chunks out of the silicone, my screen protector also broke, but the phone was fine. This case is MagSafe compatible. Notice the cool animation when you put the phone in an Apple case. When you are choosing a phone case, make sure you get one that's MagSafe compatible. Even if you don't use any MagSafe accessories currently. You'll thank me later. It's so convenient and will certainly be in the future of all Apple products. Now many third-party manufacturers are in the MagSafe game as well, so I think we're going to see some really fun creative things. I have another video that's coming soon that will hopefully answer all your questions about MagSafe. My final thoughts. The case is compatible with the iPhone 12 and 13 lineup. Just pick the right size for your device. The case comes in the following colors. 8 to be precise. Just take a look at Apple's website here and you can see all the different colors. It provides a lot of different options. The MSRP is $49.99 but I found this on sale for $39.99. Just check the links below for the best price. Here are the pros of this case. It's lightweight, slim, fits perfectly, and MagSafe compatible. Cons: some people think it costs too much. I think if you can find it on sale for $39 versus $49, it's a no-brainer. Some people find that it picks up too much lint, and it may be hard to get in and out of your skinny jeans because it's kind of grippy. The real test for me is, do I want to return this product or would I buy it again? And the answer is yes. In this case, I would definitely buy this product again, and I'm keeping it. Those are my thoughts. I hope this helps you out. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and hit that little bell so you can be notified about future videos. It really helps us out. We have a playlist on other MagSafe accessories and cases that you may want to check out. Links are below. Thanks for watching. See you soon.